Different bacteria, different reactions, and that's where the magic begins. Ever wondered how microbiologists identify invisible organisms with such confidence? Not by guessing, but by making bacteria talk through biochemical reactions. In today's video, we will walk through the step-by-step biochemical processing used in microbiology labs. The biochemical tests which I am going to discuss today are Citrate, TSI or triple sugar ion agar, motility test, Urease test, nitrate reduction test, Methyl Red and Voges Proskauer test. Let's start by citrate test. The medium used for this test is Simon citrate agar. This test is mainly performed to detect whether the organism use citrate as salt carbon source. This test is performed by streaking the slant lightly and incubating the tubes for 24 hours. Next comes the TSI or triple sugar ion agar. This test is done to detect the fermentation of sugars like glucose, lactose, and sucrose. This test also detects the gas and H2S production. This test is performed by stabbing the bacterial suspension in the bud and streaking in the slant. Incubate the tubes for 24 hours. One tube gives multiple answers. Third test is the motility test. This test checks the bacterial movement throughout the medium. This test is performed by stabbing the bacterial suspension into a straight line in the medium. The tubes are then incubated for 24 hours. Next comes the urease test. This test detects the urease enzyme. This is performed by inoculating the bacterial suspension by streaking in the slant. Then the tubes are incubated for 24 hours. Moving forward to the next biochemical test, that is the nitrate reduction test. This test detects the presence of nitrate and the conversion to nitrite. This test is performed by adding the bacterial suspension to the nitrate medium, and the tubes are allowed to incubation for 24 hours. Next test is the MR test or the methyl red test. This test detects the stable acid production in the organism. This test is performed by adding the bacterial suspension to the methyl red medium, and then the tubes are allowed to incubate for 24 hours. The final test is the VP test or the Voges Proskauer test. This test detects the acetone production by the organism. This test is performed by adding the bacterial suspension to the Voges Proskauer medium and allow the tubes to incubate for 24 hours. These tests together form a biochemical fingerprint of bacteria. Biochemical tests are not just procedures, they are a language through which microorganisms reveal who they are. In microbiology, we don't just see bacteria, we understand them. That's all for today. This is Neha. See you on next wonderful video. Until then, stay curious, stay learning because every colony has a story to tell. Do like and subscribe Medical Guruji for more informative videos. Thank you and bye-bye.